If you're tired of typing your documents and emails manually, I've got you. I've tested and compared two most popular voice typing tools in 2026, Wispr and Superwhisper, on transcription accuracy, speed, customization, and privacy. And in this video, I'll show you a side-by-side comparison so that you can know which one is best for your workflow. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Let's start with installation and setup. Wispr setup is simple. Just download from the link in the description and follow the on-screen instructions. The tool works flawlessly right out of the box. Superwhisper also offers a quick setup process, but right after its installation, I got a transcription error. If you run into this same issue, it's a quick fix. Open the Superwhisper settings, navigate to your modes, and open the voice model section. From there, switch your voice model to Nova 3. Right below that setting, toggle on the Real-Time Transcription option. This fixed the error instantly, and the app started dictating perfectly. Wispr processes your audio in the cloud, meaning you'll need a constant internet connection for it to work. While it does include built-in privacy modes and zero data retention options, your data still leaves your device. Superwhisper, by contrast, handles everything locally on-device. It can run completely offline, making it a much better option if you frequently handle confidential or sensitive work where absolute privacy is non-negotiable. With that said, once you actually get them up and running, day-to-day privacy feels pretty comparable. So overall, for setup, ease of use, and privacy altogether, I give Wispr a 4.5 out of 5 and Superwhisper a 3 out of 5 solely because of those early transcription issues. Now let's move on to customization, starting with Wispr. To activate the transcription in Wispr, you just press a specific shortcut on your keyboard. If you ever forget what your shortcut is, it's very easy to check or change. Just open the Settings menu and click Change next to the Shortcuts option. Once you are in there, you will see two main options, Push-to-Talk and Hands-Free mode. The most common way to use it is Push-to-Talk. With this mode, you simply hold down your chosen shortcut key while speaking and let go when you are done to let the tool type everything out. Wispr assigns a default shortcut automatically when you first install it, which you can see right here, but you can easily edit it to whatever keys you prefer. Below that is hands-free mode. Instead of holding the keys down, you just click the shortcut once to start recording, speak your mind, and click it a second time to stop and execute the transcription. Both of these options do a great job of keeping the Wispr workflow simple and streamlined. Right below the Shortcuts section, you will find the microphone settings. If your main microphone is not picking up your voice clearly and you have an extra one, you can easily switch between your devices here. This helps the AI understand you perfectly for the most accurate results. Underneath the microphone selection is the Language menu. Wispr supports transcription in many different languages. You can select your preferred language manually, or you can turn on the Auto Detect option. With Auto Detect enabled, the AI automatically recognizes the language you are speaking as you talk. This feature is very helpful because it saves you from having to open the settings and change the language manually every time you want to switch between different languages. Now for Superwhisper, it offers a wide range of settings, including modes, audio adjustments, configurations, and recording styles. First is the Modes section. You start with a default mode, but you can create new ones or edit existing ones by clicking the icon next to them. This opens a menu for languages, voice models, and playback settings. Superwhisper supports many languages, but it lacks the automatic detection feature found in Wispr. Below the language selection are the voice models, which determine your transcription speed and accuracy. Different models have different capabilities. I use Nova 3 because it works well, but you can test others to see what fits your needs. Underneath the models, the playback section includes options to help filter out background noise. Next are the audio settings, which include several features not found in Wispr, such as automatic microphone gain control, silence removal, and audio playback options. In the configuration menu, you can choose between two different recording styles. Below that is the shortcut editor, where you can click to reassign your keys or reset them to default using the button next to them. If you need to switch between different microphones, you use the input button located at the top of the interface. So for customization, I give Wispr a 4 out of 5 for its streamlined simplicity. I also give Superwhisper a 4 out of 5, not for ease of use, but because the extra settings give you much more control over your transcription setup. Next, let's look at accuracy and transcription quality, starting with Wispr. Wispr automatically removes filler words like and like, which noticeably improves the clarity of your text. It also adds punctuation naturally based on your pauses and tone of voice. It is also highly responsive to corrections. For example, if you make a mistake while speaking, you can simply say, "Actually, change that to," and it applies the correction instantly. Additionally, Wispr handles difficult environments well. It accurately captures your voice even if you whisper or speak quietly, and it filters out background noise effectively. The processing is also incredibly fast, delivering the transcribed text almost immediately after you finish speaking. Finally, if the tool struggles with specific industry jargon or names, you can manually add those words to your personal dictionary so it recognizes them correctly moving forward. Now for Superwhisper, the performance is very similar in terms of accuracy. However, I did notice that Superwhisper takes a brief moment to load before it begins listening to your voice, as it did here. Wispr, on the other hand, starts recording almost instantly. Aside from that slight delay, Superwhisper matches Wispr in translation quality. It handles technical vocabulary, names, accents, and tones equally well. It also excels at removing filler words like and adding correct punctuation, and polishing your overall formatting. With Superwhisper, your overall accuracy depends heavily on your microphone quality for background noise suppression and the specific voice model you choose. Just like Wispr, you can also save custom words to the dictionary to prevent transcription errors. For this round, I give Wispr a 4 out of 5 for accuracy and speed, and Superwhisper a 3.5 out of 5, deducting half a point due to that slower loading time when you start a recording. Now let's look at platform support. Superwhisper supports Windows, iPhone, and Mac OS. The app is highly optimized for Mac OS, where it delivers the best responsiveness, but it is currently unavailable for Linux or Android. It works system-wide, meaning you can use it inside other apps like Slack, Gmail, or your browser. Wispr provides broader coverage, supporting Windows, Mac OS, iPhone, and Android. It works system-wide across almost any app. The only platforms it misses are Linux, Chromebook, and iPad. Next is the pricing. Wispr offers a free plan capped at 2,000 words per week on desktop. The Pro plan costs $15 per month. They also offer a 50% student discount, but there is no lifetime purchase option. Superwhisper does offer a lifetime purchase option for $250, allowing you to pay once and avoid recurring fees completely. Its free plan includes unlimited access to small AI models. If you prefer a subscription, the Pro plan is cheaper than Wispr, costing $9 a month. To wrap this up, both tools are capable AI dictation apps, but they focus on different priorities. Superwhisper offers more customization and lower pricing, though it requires more manual setup and adjustments to get the best results. Wispr delivers a smoother overall experience and handles everyday dictation workflows well, but it's more expensive and processes audio in the cloud. So if you value simplicity and workflow efficiency, Wispr is the stronger choice. If customization and affordability matter more, Superwhisper is a solid option. If you're still on the fence, try both the tools from the discount link in the description and see which one fits into your workflow. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.